Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit the viral star bike reels using the Capcut app, step by step, beginner friendly and completely in English. So in here, what you need to do is just add the footages of your bike like this, for example, and then we're going to do the speed ramping. So here, let's start with the second clip. So for the second clip in here, you can go to speed, click on curve, tap on custom, click on edit, and now you're just going to adjust it. Here I'm going to go with this and add another bit in here. You can preview the result first. Okay, click on a check icon and you need to remember the last beats on this clip, and then use it the same on the next footage. So here click on custom again, and the last bit on the last footage is about here. You can do that, and then you can adjust it again. So I'm going to make it a little bit slow in here and move it up like this. You can play again to see the result. Okay, always remember the last bit, click on a check icon, and now for the last bit in here, click on custom again. So the last bit is in here. I'm going to use that. Then I'm going to make it a little bit slow-mo up here and make it fast at the end. Click on a check icon. And then again, you can preview the result first. If needed, you can also add transition in here. You can add the mix transition. Let's try to use that. Find mix. Let's try on this second, on the first and second clip to see, preview it first before adding it to all of the clip. Here I'm going to go with 0.3 seconds for the transition. Hit on the check icon and let's see it. Okay, so that's all. Let's use for all of the clip. Click on apply to all to apply the transition, and here is the final result. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.